On Sunday, we will be talking to youth. My wife and I will be sharing with youth on Sunday. And there's one story that I want to finish off with, and also which I will share with our young people. And it's a story that my dad told me. And the thing I love about this story is that not only is it funny, it's got a really important message. And the story goes this: it's about a tour from my mum's village. Ioi Papsako. Any of you's been to Papsako? Yeah, long way. It takes about 6 weeks to get to Papsako. Long way. But when you get there, it's the most beautiful place in the whole world. I can say whatever because not many of you have been there. But Papsako was a long way, and so there was a tour from this village. And what happened was everyone feared this tour. You know, the tour is in warrior, not tour of we're not on the tour. So the tour of Papsako, everyone feared, everyone knew. This guy was 6'8", weighed 300 pounds, he was solid, big man, fierce. And Toa was going out through his normal day activity, doing work around the house. And then the son of Toa walked up to his dad and said, Dad, why is that a rich boy you job? Then Toa looked down and said, they call me Toa because I am fearless. I am no fear of anything. No fear. I am the Toa. Then what happened was the Toa jumped over the fence. He's so fearless he doesn't even care where he's going. He just jumped over the fence. What he didn't realize was he jumped into a Papovi. He jumped into the Papovi where they have the biggest Bovi in all of Samoa. His son looked at him and said, Hey, you jumped in the Papovi. That's the biggest Bovi in all of Samoa, man. Then his father looked at me, son, I am the Toa. All the village came around the fence. Wow! Oh no, look at the pool. The pool weighed 7 tons. I wish we had that movie here. 7 tons. Biggest pool, and what happened was the pool saw the Toa. Everyone in the village was like, wow, kind of fight Toa. Then they saw the pool started to do bull things, steam coming out of the bull's ears. Whole village was like, oh no, be careful, bull, Toa's gonna kill you. Everyone started clapping. Go Toa. The bull started running. I'm away from that bull. For the children, doing it for the children. For the Special Olympics. I'm gonna everyone in the village, go Toa. Like everyone's going, you're right, Toa. Don't worry about me. I am the Toa. And then the Toa started to position himself. Pooh got faster and faster. Go Toa. Pooh was about 5 meters in front of the Toa. And then the Toa jumped out of the barn. Everyone in the village was like, stay. And then the son of the Toa said, Dad, Toa. A familiar, the Kali of Toa said to son, Toa Melele, I want Toa Melele.